Today, ask ChatGPT and Gemini to work together to build a better version of YouTube, and those results are absolutely crazy, so make sure to check this video until the end. And before we'll start, please drop that like and subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to get to my goal of 2,000 subscribers. Alright guys, I have already prepared a super detailed prompt which we're going to copy and paste right into the cursor. I will start with ChatGPT 5.3 code this because this one is really powerful and we will see how it will turn out. So basically I want not just to do a clone, I want to improve this, and yeah, let's see how it will turn out. And while ChatGPT is cooking this for us, I wanted to say that if we'll get 300 likes under this video, I will drop a GitHub link and prompt that I'm using in this project, so you can find it on Discord server, link in the description. There, you can share your version of better YouTube, and the best one will be mentioned on the next video. Alright guys, so I think that ChatGPT is actually done. It's keep running npm run build, but we don't need it on this stage, so let's try installing some packages here. And after that, eventually we will try to run this YouTube clone. Alright, it is loading. For some reason, it takes so much time to load. I don't know, maybe my PC is dying. Alright, guys. Yo, that's that's nice. That's actually nice. Yo, what the hell do we have here? Alright, so this is actually looks pretty sick. We have a side menu, which is not bad. We have YouTube search here, so let's explore it like step by step. Let's try going through the tabs. So we can go to Shorts tab. Oh wow, alright, it has like a scroll bar here, which is not really how it should work, but okay, alright, it's like the first prompt, first attempt, so let's give it a point. It looks not bad. It even like fixes the short on the middle, so I believe this is not bad. We can just remove the scroll bar to make it look just as it should. We can go to subscriptions, and yeah, we have a history, liked videos, watch later, subscriptions. All right, let's try just going to any of these videos. This time I'll ask Gemini to do a job. I think for simple fixes, Gemini's 3 Flash will be good enough. But after that, we'll do some extremely nice UI changes and some new features using Gemini 3 Pro, so make sure to check that video until the end. Alright, Gemini took no time at all to finish fixing everything. It took like 1 minute only, so yeah, let's finally see how that video will look there. So what we have here, we can click on a video. Alright, nice, that's good. I mean, we have up next videos, video title. This video is basically fetched from actual YouTube, so we won't just watch it here. But yeah, we have like, we have dislike, share, save. Let's do save to see if it's gonna be saved to history and whatever. We have actually some comments here too. All right, nice. Can we write a comment? Oh yeah, we do. All right, yeah, it's pretty good. Can we search? Yeah, we do. All right, I love it. I love it. We cannot switch between channels and playlist here. And yeah, let's go to subscription. Yeah, we can see history, liked videos, watch later videos. And can we actually subscribe? Yeah, I believe we do. So yeah, we have a subscribed channel. And yo, all right, this is a channel page. I mean, it's really impressive how ChatGPT did it only in one prompt. There were some minor issues, but Gemini 3 Flash fixed it in no time. So yeah, it's really good. I mean, now we can actually don't worry about how it works. We can just improve it and yeah, basically add more features. All right, that's pretty good. I love it. So let's go to Gemini 3 Pro and ask it to improve this UI and eventually add more features here. Alright guys, I just have sent this new prompt to Gemini 3 Pro, and what I want to do now is to generate a nice updated YouTube logo. Alright, I'm currently in the Sora and let's write this prompt. Alright, I have just sent this and right now Sora is making all the changes, and meanwhile, yeah, Gemini 3 Pro is still working on all of this updates. So let's wait a bit and see what the final result will look like. Alright guys, this is what Sora came up with. I asked for a liquid gloss, but I didn't mean it that way. So I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this logo, but let's come up with one more option. Alright, Sora came up with one more variation of this logo, but yo, I hate it. Actually, I had another one, but it looked just like a YouTube, like a default YouTube, so I guess we'll take this one because it's not bad. I mean, comparing to those two, I like this one more. So we can do a remix of first one and ask. I just asked to add a YouTube text on right so it actually looks like a real YouTube logo. So yeah, let's see. Oh, right. Gemini seems to be done. So let's check that update and yo, what is, okay, let's update. Oh, right. Yo, we have a preloader now. Damn, it looks super weird. We have this weird cursor effect. All right. But yeah, I mean, UI is a bit updated. Not bad. Okay. Yo, I like this. Yo, I like this icons here. Let's go to shorts. Yeah, that's actually not bad. I love it. Let's go to subscription. Okay, it stayed the same. And yeah, it highlights all these 3 tabs here. Yeah, can we now go to our profile? Yeah, we do. All right. Yeah, that actually looks nice. Yeah, this looks actually really cool. I love all those animations and colors and everything. Oh, we forgot to add a logo. Yo, give me a sec. All right, it's done. Let's refresh. And yeah, this is extremely good. Okay, I love it. It actually looks sick there. So yeah, everything is great, but I want to add some extra features that I always wanted to see on YouTube. So let's start making them. And let me know down in comments what feature do you want to have on a YouTube which is not there for some reason yet. Alright guys, Gemini just finished generating all of my ideas, and without any spoilers, let me go through them. Okay, nice. Okay, it's updated, but I want to see that preloader once again. Alright, so let's start. What do we have here? Discover better. I mean, this one is obviously the most click me like. So what is this? Discover better. Your personal AI enchanted video experience. No noise, just content. So we can do mood-based video recommendations now. I mean, so we click here and we can see how are you feeling today. Pick up a mood and we'll find the perfect video for you. So yeah, let's say we are focused and productive today, and it will show the particular videos in this category. Of course, these are not real videos, but this is what can be improved. Of course, as I said, join the Discord and improve this version of YouTube. All right, let's go next. So yeah, this one is pretty good. I would love to have this because sometimes, I mean, I don't feel that YouTube recommendation it's giving to me. So yeah, maybe let's do something chill, or let's do something high energy. So yeah, that would be extremely nice. So what we can do else, we can do no clickbait. So what this does, as you can see, all the titles are changing. Basically, if AI will recognize any clickbaity title and video is not about it at all, we can do no clickbait and it will change all the titles right here. So for example, designing a polished dashboard in 30 minutes. I mean, this one is not clickbaity, but AI will make it clear, like without any fluff. So this one is actually cool because I can see a lot of clickbaity videos there on YouTube, and watching halfway through them, I mean, like, yo, this is not what it meant to be. So yeah, no clickbait filter here. And let's switch to another feature, which is a goal mode. So goal mode is basically you set up your goal, like, yo, I want to learn more about investing, I want to learn more about coding, and you click goal mode and only videos in this goal will be shown here. This actually would be cool. I mean, you can just search for it, but come on, this is much better when you trust algorithm to pull the best videos for you in this case. Yo, and I just noticed that there is another cool thing. When we go to the video, there is this nice background lights effect. I really love it. It's cool. And another thing, now if we'll go to subscription or library or whatever, we'll have these nice tabs with such a smooth animation. And another cool feature I always wanted to implement, and it is here right now, it is a watch planner. So basically these are like watch later thing, but a bit more specific one, because before going to bed, you can search for videos that you want to watch having a breakfast tomorrow. And I think this is generally really cool because every time I'm going to it, I spend like 15 minutes looking for exactly that YouTube video that I want to watch, and yeah, it sucks. So now you can do it in advance and separate it in different folders, and I think this is an actually cool feature and I would use it all the time. So yes guys, this is it. I really love how this YouTube version turned out, and it actually can be improved, and it would be really nice adding all the backend and database stuff here. So we can do that together on my Discord server, so feel free to check it out down in the description. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, drop that like and subscribe to the channel to help me to reach my goal of 2,000 subscribers, and let me know down in the comments what video do you want to see next time. See you!